The client wanted a house north of Auckland that suited her needs and her family and her friends as well. So I guess it's probably got a few more refined elements to it, but in essence this is a Kiwi batch. The house, the palette is white, which was for us, I think it really is a beach house when it is white and feels very beachy and batchy and relaxed as well. We've used a white bagged brick for this project, quite a bulletproof cladding system, and we really like the texture that it gives you as well. It gets a very beautiful light deflection and depth to it. The house comprises of 3 levels, with all the living on the lower level, main bedroom suite on the 2nd level, and the roof is a rooftop terrace and bar, which to us was a real fun aspect of the project. There are a lot of houses and buildings around us, and to get up to that height, it does actually give the project some really good views. The house opens up really well. All the doors and windows open up to reveal an indoor-outdoor connection. The pool is quite small, but we think it was the perfect size and perfect fit for the project. Just enough for a quick dip when you come back from the beach, and connected really well to our cabana space too. The screen is mainly fixed to the building, except for the main bedroom where it is opened to see out through to the view. The bath on the front deck was also very deliberate and a very nice idea to come out here and have a bath. You've got some protection from the screen, but you're also open to the elements and to the sky above. Although the project is quite refined, I think it still has a very relaxed feeling to it. Just what you want when you are here on holiday.